Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to redeem codes in Voidpet Dungeon. All right, let's begin. First, open Voidpet Dungeon and check the top left corner of the screen. Tap on the menu and go to the General section. Here, you will find the option called Redeem Gift Cards, where you can enter your gift code. Type in your gift code carefully, then tap on Redeem. Once completed, the reward will be added directly to your in-game store credit balance. Next, there is another type of code called referral codes. These are shared by other players and can give you extra rewards when used. To enter a referral code, go to the Refer a Friend section in the game. Then tap on the Help option in the bottom right corner and select Set Who Referred Me. Enter the username or referral code provided by another player. So that's basically how you can redeem codes in Voidpet Dungeon. That's it for this video. Thanks.